It's too bright. Okay. Alright, so this is that's the fire alarm. This is a 4903 9219. There's most of them here.
So
All the way over there.
okay.
Alright. Alright, there's another 9219 right here. Have to be quiet because... Anyway, I have to be quiet because they're doing the play. Up here, there's another 9219 with a emergency light. Excuse me. And there's a bell here as well. If I can find it, that would be amazing. If I find it, I will be recording it as well. Third 9219 and another emergency light. This is a pole station spot right here. This is 9219. If it would focus. There you go. Here's your light. 9219. Another 9219 right here. Pole station spot. They pulled this down mainly because they don't want students pulling it.
Now this is a fire box, but as you can see, there's no fire, no extinguisher, which is against code and policy of the school. That would get us a citation.
There's also a firebox in the gym area.
And here is another firebox. And as you can see, there's no extinguisher, which is also against code. If a fire broke out, we don't have anything.
Back here is an alarm. This is a 9219. And what's over here? Another 9219.
Call the fire marshals and we'll get in a lot of trouble and then they'll do something.
Oh, this is amazing. Okay, this is a Simplex 4030. I didn't know this was over here. And the 9219.
Is it a quality behind the scenes here? Is
Yeah.
anything in here?
Oh, there's another
That's a
40.
classic one.
That's another 4030. They have two 4030s, one over here and one down there, as you see behind
You
you.
never know what you
And 4030s are very loud. And yeah. So. Okay. This is a very nice area. And another 9219 over here.
You should consider taking drama sometime.
Maybe sometime in the future. Okay.
If you want to carefully cross here, you can see there's another alarm on the other side.
Okay.
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 All right. Here's another 9219. As she said, there's another alarm over here, and there's the exit sign and an emergency light. That's a emergency light. And yeah. And I think that's all of the alarms in here. All right. So. And the next area I want to head to is
How cool is this, Maru?
this is really awesome.
Isn't that awesome? Oh,
Yeah. So the next area we're heading to is the the office area.
uh-huh.
So you want to go there?
You know what? Maybe.
Feeling my wood?
Yeah. Can I borrow this or no? No.
Sure.
Can I didn't know.
Keep it if you want to.
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just
Okay.
wondering where I was going.
So I'll probably meet you there. Miss Heidi probably isn't coming with us.
Miss Heidi's not. No, I'm gonna go.
Okay. So
So
I'll
can
meet
do
you
it
over there.
tomorrow?
We have 9219. Two 9219. Bell. Yes. I'll come back to that area The bell is. It might be ringing in a second. Here's another 9219 bus area. And there's also outside bells. I'm not very sure if they ring or not. I'll probably see. Here we have two 9219s and two 4030s. 219. No, this is the only police station in the school. Only one, and there's a coda pole. There's a bus bell. So I guess while we're here, we're gonna wait until the bell rings. Oh, also, police station. Police station. Oh, police station right here. Excuse me. Battery's about to die, so I'm just gonna wait.